beauty treatments that work. Hi, my name is Angie and I'm here to help you elevate your life and transform to your best self. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are an old friend, then welcome back. Please subscribe to my channel to know more about such topics and like this video if you like it, dislike it if you don't, ring the notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything that I'm posting. And stay till the end of the video because today I have a big surprise for all of you. Okay, you name it. Nowadays, there are tons and tons of treatments that everyone speak about and swear by that it transforms their life. And I know how that can be very intimidating for most people to find what can have results and what not. And I am today here to share with you my favorite treatments and things that really make a difference in your body, your skin, and all of that. Make sure, if you haven't yet, to download my free guide of low maintenance things to make you a high maintenance lady. Grab that, it's completely for free. You just put your email on this website that I will link down below and you would get your free guide. Of course, watch a lot of my videos. A lot of my content is for free to help you elevate your life. And my transformation, if you haven't known already me before, is my biggest receipt to what works. Okay, let's start with one of my favorite treatments for the skin, microneedling. Microneedling is backed by science and it shows a lot of results for pores, for skin texture, for scars. Of course, you can do your own microneedling session at home, but I've seen best results when done at the clinic. I don't film myself doing these things because in Germany sometimes the clinics are not so comfortable with you doing that yourself, especially the microneedling clinic I did it at, because it was a doctor clinic and not just a beauty salon or spa. But in general, microneedling has been the best thing I've done. It helped a lot with my smile lines. I still have them because, you know, naturally I will have them prominent since I lost a lot of weight and I lost some mass from my face. So that was naturally going to happen. But in general, microneedling was the best to help my elasticity of the skin. The next thing, if you have strawberry legs and have very dark, stubborn, ingrown hairs, the only solution that worked with me was laser hair removal. No type of hair removal worked best than that. And there are different types. The best are diode or alexandrite laser. So I really recommend you do your research and do not go for the lesser effective lasers. Also go to not a regular clinic. I realized that doing it at a doctor's office is best because they can burn you if the person that is doing this have never treated someone with the laser hair removal like your skin color before. So that is very important to do it at a clinic so that they can quickly intervene when something happens, because I have a dear friend that actually got a second-degree burn from laser hair removal. So make sure to find your clinic. Well, laser hair removal is very effective, but a key secret that my doctor told me is that since if you're young, your body's going through a lot of hormones, you might get pregnant or abortion or I don't know, menopause. We are women and we go through phases with our body. It is very helpful to try to get yourself laser touch-up once a year over the area that you've done the laser to, because that will help maintain your results forever. But this is also another thing that I swear by. Next is hydrofacials. Yes, they work with some people and some they don't, but I remember when I had the worst skin acne that hydrofacial helped me. I stopped all active ingredients I was using, I gave my skin a detox, and I started doing hydrofacials monthly. And afterwards I added on top of that microneedling. So 1 month microneedling, 1 month hydrofacial. And I can tell you, I'm not wearing foundation. I stopped wearing foundation. I'm only putting on some of my acne scars because, oops, I play with my acne. I have one here. Totally bad habit, but I still do it. I hope I change that. But until then, these are the things that really, really matter. They can add up. Try to find a good facialist at your place. where you live. And I think my best results was from Russian estheticians for some reason, but their hands are like magic for nail stuff and for facials, and that's why I always look for clinics like this. This is also a treatment I swear by. The next is not necessarily a treatment, but it works every time my skin on a body feels dull. Go for a Moroccan bath anywhere that is good in your area. Moroccan bath is basically this Moroccan soap and this loofah that is done to aggressively remove a layer of the skin, dead skin cells, but your skin is going to be super soft afterwards, and it's going to smell fresh. Fragrances are going to stick to you. It's one of the things that I swear by whenever I feel dull in general, that I skip taking care of my body extra and I'm just quickly showering and lathering lotion, no scrubbing, nothing. I do this at a hammam here at where I live, and it is transforming my skin. This was done when I did a surgery and I got swollen feet immediately after it. And my doctor suggested that I go for lymphatic drainage massages. And I was hooked because one of the times I asked for a full body one. So they usually did it for my legs so that they removed the water that is happening and draining to my feet. But I decided to do it all over my body. And guess what? It was an amazing decision. And I regret I didn't take photos of this, because what happened was all of my body had a lot of excess water in it, and somehow this toned down my body a lot. Of course, it's not going to make you lose weight, but it immensely helped with the excess bloating that I had on my belly, on my arms, on my thighs. It really helps. Lymphatic massages help. And you can do it at home if you buy one of these rollers to do it every day. It really, really helps. Nowadays we sit a lot, we stand a lot, and that actually messes up with our body. And accordingly, this was the only thing that really, really helped me remove this bloating effect on my body. Last but not least, for teeth, my entire family is dentists. I don't know if you know that, but my parents and my siblings, the three, are dentists. I'm the only odd one. But one thing I've learned is that annual checkups, annual cleanups, brushing your teeth properly. If you can't do it yourself, get the help of an electric toothbrush. I use the Philips one, the black one. It is really helpful. Do nothing, just move it around over the tooth and it will do the job for you properly. And it even does beeps so that you switch sides. That's like the easiest thing. And use flossing is much more important than brushing your teeth. Just FYI if you didn't know. So invest in a floss sticks. Keep them always in your bag after meals. Make sure to go to the bathroom, do that. And I have a water flosser because I'm very lazy, and just at night I do zzz, zzz, and it's done flossing for me. So these things, if you do them, your teeth is going to stay healthy and will look healthy, and also will get lighter if you are doing the exact steps that I told you. Flossing, brushing properly, dental checkups once a year, and dental cleanups, which is actually usually included in your insurance. I hope that video was helpful. Let me know which of these treatments you've tried. If there is something that you know about and is helpful, you can recommend it. I would love to try new things, so please recommend new things for me. And now it's time for the surprise. Be one of the first people that will actually submit to attending my transformation workshop. Yes, guys, I am releasing finally my transformation workshop. I'm going to help you with live classes weekly to get through your transformation. We're going to start from the mindset, knowing your body type together, and I'm going to help you if you cannot identify your skin color or your body shape. Everything in detail. What is blocking you from getting there? What can help you? Treatments, financing, and how to plan getting your best self. And yes, I'm doing this for a small fee, but it is going to, I promise you, transform your life. So make sure to check all the information I will leave in the link in the description box down below, and make sure to subscribe for my channel for more and be from the early birds that will get into the transformation course that is starting very, very soon. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.